Hey traders, welcome back. My name is Aaron Haynes. I'm going to go over my trading strategy tonight, and got some pairs set up that we're going to take a look at, see if we can find some trades. I'm actually in a trade. I'll show you that, but just kind of doing this. I just noticed that when I do video recordings, my trade analysis seems to be way better, and so why not share it with everyone while I'm doing my analysis? Keeps me honest and accountable. And then it's like a diary of my progress. So I feel like I'm about to really explode in this business, and it's going to be awesome to have it all recorded so everyone can see where I came from and how well I'm doing. And then maybe I hope this really provides a lot of value for you guys. So let's take a look. First thing I want to show you guys are the tools that I'm using. Oh, by the way, this is what I call my 25 trade case study. I'm going to show you I've already taken some trades. I'm actually up 2% on the trade, or overall for the trades. I'm in a trade right now with the Aussie dollar, USD dollar. I'll show you that. But this is basically how I find my trades. So I use this thing called a harmonic scanner. It looks like this right here. I've already taken down the pairs that I want to look at, but this is basically what I'm using for to find my trades. But then to do my charting, I use TradingView. You're gonna notice when I look for chart patterns, it's gonna be I'm gonna pull up this thing called the Wyckoff schematics. It looks like this stuff right here. And what I do is I try to line everything up with market structure, which is something like this. So it helps me pinpoint my trades a lot better. The whole thing with trading Forex is you want to have the tightest stops that you possibly can so you can maximize your profits. I'll show you that as I get into or set up some trades. I do use MT4 for my market execution to figure out my stop losses. I use this thing called the one click. This right here, it helps me figure out what lot size I should use based on having a 2%, risking 2% of my trading account. So I'll be using that. Use one click. I use an EA manager to help me manage my trades. So you'll see right here, I use something. So I'll break all this down if I set up a trade for you guys, but I use this to manage my trade. I noticed that when I was just in trades, I would sit there and watch them and milk them and feel like I had to be there all the time. Well, this trade manager that I use, I set it, it moves my stop to break even after so many pips, depending on the pair. I'll show you that. It'll close out part of my position if I wanted to, and then it'll also manage, like I'll have a take profit. So I'll have a place where the trade I want it to go, but the trade manager will also watch the trade and it'll exit out of the trade sooner if price is about to turn around and come back against me. And then lastly, I do use a trade journal. I put all my trades so that I can go back and I can see, just check and review. I'm going to do a whole separate one. After I do all 25 trades, I'm going to do a separate video where you can see. I'm going to pull out some of these. Obviously 25 would be a long video, but I'll pull out some of these and then we can take a look at them and see what worked, what didn't, and see what things I need to change for my next block of 25. All right, cool. So these are the things that I'm looking for. I'm looking for trend. I do top-down analysis, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. Usually get in my trades either on the 4 hour or the 1 hour, although I do sometimes go down to the 15 minutes just to get a tighter stop, and so I can maximize my leverage. And then I look for liquidity in the market. Where are people putting their stop losses? Where is the smart money looking? Let's see. Where is smart money targeting? All right. I look for market structure. I already showed you the Wyckoff. I look for institutional movements. This is pretty significant. You'll see that. Well, I'll just show you as I go, but mostly it's looking for where taking out liquidity, but also engulfing candles. Engulfing candles often create what do you call those, like morning stars or hammers, or just something with a really long wick, When you see those engulfing candles, and on the higher time frames it'll be that just really long wick, those are really good areas to start looking for entries. I'll show you that. That would also be considered an impulsive move. And then I look for mitigation. Basically, that is when the banks are in drawdown in a certain position. They'll manipulate the market, kind of like what you see right here. You see how the market was manipulated up into this order block here. So they'll manipulate it up. All of their entries, all of their orders didn't get closed out as they're coming back down. So there's a footprint here that they'll leave where they have to come back and mitigate, basically close that position that they're in drawdown. So I'll show you how to look for that. I do use Fibonacci levels. The Fibonacci is supposed to be 71 to 88, but I've been missing my entries a lot lately. So as long as the risk reward is proper, I'm gonna actually put my entries at the 70 and a half. All right, I do look for imbalance. I'll show you what that looks like, and then this is how I make my money. Minimum risk reward 4 to 1 with a 2% risk. And then these are the pairs that we're looking at tonight. Change this. All right, cool. So I'm already in this Aussie dollar trade. You can see that right here. I'm up a little bit so far. I believe that I am in the clear. I'll show you the whole setup. I don't want to change this because it'll mess up the exit manager that I have on here. But then we're gonna look at the USD CAD, Pound CAD, New Zealand CAD, US Swiss, Aussie New Zealand. All right, so let me pull up Trading View. Let's see here. Gotcha. Oh, this is a trade that I took. Was it last night? Yeah, I think it was last night. Look at that. Got right in there on a wick entry and rode that bad boy all the way down. My trade manager closed it out somewhere right here, so it gave up about 30 pips, but you know, I didn't have to sit there and watch it, so I guess I'll take that. I was really wanting it to come all the way down here, which it still could. It might just flag back up a little ways, or let's see, maybe there's this might be a good entry right here, but I'm not really interested in looking at it tonight. There's probably other things. So let's take a look. I'll show you the Aussie dollar real quick since I'm in that. All right. So as you can see, price is coming up. This is the 8-hour. Let's look at the daily first. Price came up. New higher high, new higher low. So this actually, I could be going against trend right here, but I feel pretty good about it. You see it made a higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, and now it's coming all the way down. And it did just bounce off an order block right over here. A pretty nice, clean one. So this was my entry right here. Got in. I'm hoping that it comes all the way down to here. Might come down to here. But if it hits where I want it to, I'm good with taking a 7-to-1 risk trade. You know, that would be 14%. Already up 2, so that would put me at 16% for the week. Just need one more trade, put me over that 20 mark. That would be really, really nice. All right, let's. So, what else do we have? USD CAD. I haven't really looked at these other ones yet, so this might take a little bit for us to go through them. Let's see. Definitely a downtrend. Down, down, down. Monthly is working its way down. Look at this order block that it's coming up to right here. It's a nice one. Nice, big, clean one. Whoops. Nice. Let's see. Look at that moving in there. Let's see. Still coming down. Look drew up some equal lows, so it looks like it is still coming down. Yeah, look at this. Was a nice trade right here, right off this order block. Oh man, jeez. Wish I was looking at this one earlier this week, because you could probably get a tighter stop. Ooh, I don't know. Let's look. Yeah, look at that. What is that? I was trading Roku today, doing some options, so I wish I was paying attention to this. Probably would have been a better trade. 6 to 1 on your money. Look at that. What a beautiful trade. Picture perfect. Well, woulda, shoulda, coulda, right? I don't see anything left. I'm not interested in anything on that tonight. Dang it, what time did that come out? Let's see. 4 hours ago. What time is it now? Oh, this is, let's see. Man. Yeah, I mean, the only thing I could see would be having it come back right there. I would probably want it to come back up here more. Yeah, because see, look, you have some equal highs right here. So people putting their stop losses there, putting their stop losses there. You see some imbalance here. And then some imbalance here. So yeah, I mean, I would take a trade coming all the way back up here. Not a bad idea. Let me look at, let's see. Yeah, see, according to this, it'll come up one more time. Nice. Alright, so I am going to put an alarm on this right here. This probably won't do anything till next week, if it's going to do anything at all. But that would be the trade that I would be looking for on USDCAD. Let me just put a proper markup on here. See, it doesn't even have to come all the way down to have a 5 to 1 trade. Look at that. Yeah, nice. It would be really nice if it came back up here and then went back down and then came back up. That'd be sick. Okay, so there we go. There's the USD CAD all marked up. The next one that we had was the pound CAD. All right. Oh, I think I already marked this one up. Let's see. Look at that. It's in a nice little range there. Let's take a look at the Wyckoff real quick. Close that one. Let's see. So see how it came down, pulled up, pulled down, So this one down, down, boom, boom. So you have that there, that there. Whoops. Come on. And then, let's see, you do have one more test, and that's where it's at right there. So it's gonna come back down here and take out these lows. Oh, this is a monthly. Okay, so it's gonna come down and take out these lows. Yeah, up and then down. Oh, I see that drop. Okay, keep going down, keep going down. 2 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna set an alarm on. Let's just actually let me look at the fibs real quick. So I'm gonna set the alarm right here. This is a really big stop loss, but you can see that it still will produce a 4 to, actually, I could ride this for a long time. I could really ride this for a long time. Could come all the way down here. And you got like a 7 to 1 trade. Yeah, this is definitely something I will be setting up tonight. Yeah, let's do it. Alright. Come on. This one is just drive. USD dollar moves so dang slow. Alright, so what do we got? Pound CAD. Let's look at the dollars. Alright, so 40 pips stop loss. Such a big stop loss. Alright, check this out. There we go. Alright, so we got 400. So basically what I do for this is I type in the amount of the stop loss. I type in the amount of the take profit, which is 2,000 or 275 pips, but gotta put it in this way. And so then it's gonna ask me to give the where to enter 1.74128. And you can see it gives me the lot size that I need to have. This is based off of 2%. So I just go ahead and enter that lot size. Got everything going here. And then I just hit sell limit. It's not letting me enter it. Do I have it right? Sell limit. Am I on the wrong? Oh, I'm on the wrong pair. Oops. This is supposed to be pound CAD. See, guys? See the mistakes that you gotta try to avoid? Jeez. So 400. And we have 275. So see, it actually, since it's a different pair, it gave me a different lot size. So got that. 1.74128. So I'm setting the pending order, but have an alarm set because this might end up doing something different. So if this is going to be something I'm going to check first thing in the morning when I get up, so I can see where it's at. If it's anywhere up in here and I start seeing that it does what we call break of structure, what it would have to do is on the 15-minute chart, it's going to come up here and then just break back down like in here and then continue down. So I'm going to try to catch that. If that's what's happening tomorrow morning, we'll just see what's going on. Who knows? Maybe I would have made all that I needed to off of the dollar, the Aussie dollar, and I would be done. That would be nice. So let's see. The next one we have is the New Zealand dollar. Let's see. I'm going to clear this. It is in a down market. Got resistance. We've got all these equals. I mean, there's probably going to be a lot of stop losses up above these. It's already getting there. And we'll see what happens. It could bring, let's see, weekly again. Whoops. I don't like it when I can't see what the heck is going on. I feel like these, I mean, this is a downtrend. It's just a lot of suspension there. So price is just getting suspended there, like it's kind of just floating. There's probably money. There's probably going to be people putting stop losses up above these areas. So this might not just break right through. It might come back down, and because it is in a what do you call this? Upside down head and shoulders. So you might see it come and do that. But I wish I could find an entry right here. Let me see what the scan was telling me. Pound CAD. Where is it? Saying it's extended down. Ooh, some equal highs right here. Oh wait, this is what I was just looking at. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Dang it. How did that happen? I don't really see anything. Nothing jumps out at me on this at all. Well, let's see what this consolidation is showing me here. Okay, so there's something. Equal lows right there. Yeah, I think that this trade has already gone past. It's probably right in line with the Aussie dollar. I don't see anything right now on that one. Nothing that I'm just gonna try and jump into. Let's see here. Wow. Everything's to the downside. You have this order block right here. Look at all of that imbalance. What? It's going down, down, down. It's going down. Yeah, this is a lot of downward pressure. I like it if it comes back up in this area. Let's see. Whoops. I was kind of thinking, right? Seems like it'll be a big stop. Let's take a look at this. Go right there. Go right there. What was that? Somebody there? Oh, that stop loss was way too big. No. I gotta figure something else out on that. Yikes. Alright, we gotta go down in time frame. Sorry guys, don't mean to waste your time. Oh shit. This actually might be turning around a little bit. Where it's gotta come up to here. I'm just gonna set an alarm. Nah, I'm gonna put it on a watch list. Something I'm watching. Let's see. Things in here I don't need. Nope, so I put that there. Alright. And then the last one we have is the Aussie New Zealand dollar. Alright, so let's take see, what is this doing? This looks like it's just in an uptrend. Oh, okay. Sideways, let's take a look. Like this. That. Alright, this is the monthly, so it's going up in the middle of a range. Nice. Let's see what we got going on. Looks like it just broke through. I must have had this marked up before. It broke through some higher highs. I mean some equal highs. Look at that. That's on the weekly. And it's clear, ready for liftoff. Jeesh. I don't know, this looks like you just get in on a pullback to me. Is this a slow mover? How many pips does this thing run? $30 pips a day. Have fun with that. I'm good. Let's see. Could you get a 5-to-1 on this though? Not really. This could actually even be turning around. Not interested. Well, that's it for tonight, guys. So the ones that we got, I've set up one for the pound was a CAD, and then the Aussie USD. This might be coming back for an entry if depending on what time you guys get this or watch this video. So it might be coming back for an entry right here for you if you want. You can see it's a head and shoulders pattern. You'll be catching it right at the top of the right shoulder and then following it all the way down. I'm still liking this trade. Lots of significant pressure to push those candles back down, push price back down. Just they're just waiting for the market to open up over in London. It's not quite there yet, so we'll see what happens though. Who knows? I mean, this could go against me. I'll lose 2%. I'd be flat for the week, but I'm definitely collecting some data. Feel like I'm getting better. Hope you guys got some value out of this. If you did, please hit the like button. Leave comments if you hated it, because you know what, I want to do better. I don't want this to be that boring, which sorry if it is.